Alright, so I got a late drop in here, but I'm going to be able to go all the way, I think, because my son happens to be staying with me, and he's not going anywhere tonight, so I will get to, at least I think I'll be able to get the whole duration here. I might have to cut it short and walk a few quicker spots than I'd like, but I haven't been back here for a while. There is sometimes a fish right here. There he is. Excellent. Nice brown. Yeah, nice 12.5-inch brown, something like that. Pretty. Pretty fish. Dark. He's super dark. Nice looking fish. Alright, well I got a lot of ground to cover here. Fished. There's a little guy. Another small brown. Just a little baby. There's a fish. There's a brown. Yeah, there's a guy about 8, 7. The water feels nice and cold here. Oh, and there's a big fish. God dang it. There was a big fish. Bit it. There were a couple of them fighting over it. There's a brownie. Got like a ton of bricks for a little guy. All 3 hooks. Jeepers, buddy. You got a problem. There we go, he's off nice enough. Just another little 7-incher, 6-incher. There's a fish. A little better brown. Yeah, right around 12. Skinny. Okay, so in that hole right there, I finally found a decent brown. Nice 15-incher. We'll see about another fish in there. There's a little guy that hit hard. Hit like a ton of bricks. A 10-incher. Yeah, pretty fish. About a 10-incher. There's a fish. Okay, so we got someone biting that. Handle it. Yeah, pretty yellow guy. About 6 or 7. There's an eagle. Sweet. There's a nice brown. Look at that guy. There's a nice brown. He looks about 14, 15, something like that. Oh, let me get my hand wet. Yeah, there's a beautiful yellow brown. He's kind of skinny, but sure is nice looking. Super yellow. And he goes 14 1/4. Nice. And there he goes. There's another guy. Alright, maybe it's going to get hot here. That'd be nice. This guy's about 1'11", something like that. My hand is, of course, still nice and wet. And yeah, he goes just about 11. A brown, much bronzer fish, not as yellow. There he goes. Alright, we're in business here. Whoa, there's a big giant turtle. Check him out. Big turtle. Looks like a big snapper. Pretty awesome looking dude. Going down in the hole there. So I would suspect that there aren't many trout right in there. So they're looking to get snapped up by a snapping turtle. Okay, so I'm going to call it a pretty average outing. Missed a big fish about 1/3 of the way in, pretty close to 20. I'll have to look on the video to get a better idea, but all browns here, a couple nice ones, 15, 14, a couple 12s, but really not what I was hoping for. But in any event, it's great to get out. It's late evening, and thanks for watching Wisconsin Trout Fishing, and happy fishing. Hit the trunk, bud. Don't you have a trunk button?
Nope.
Get out of here.
Trunk button.
I thought you did.
You only got the cool trunk button.
No, mine doesn't have one.
Fit?
Huh?
Okay. Oh yeah, I never had one. Unless it's in the glove box.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, where is mine in the glove box?
This is an Xbox here, yes? That looks like plastic on that side.
What's up?
That looks like plastic on that side. Is that anything that's going to be?
No, doesn't matter.
Was there one in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
This is a deluxe cutlass.
How about that?